Hey, you're putting your hands on me,
It's time
sir.
to go.
I'm leaving.
They've asked you to
You
go.
don't have to push me, dude. You did the same thing your other officers did.
Time to go.
You put your hands on me once again.
It's time to go.
You're the chief of police, and you're officer. What's your name and badge number?
It's Deputy Chief Eric Gandy of the Clearwater Police.
Yeah.
What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and I want to give some context to this incident that happened. But we're gonna play the clip real quick. It's a couple minutes, and yeah, we're gonna get into it, and then we're gonna talk about it. And I also want to give a huge shout out to the subscriber that sent me this article, and I can't say thank you enough for that.
But if you could allow me just 10 seconds after, or even 5 seconds. I just need 5 seconds after the video's done. The video's 3 minutes long, and I just need 5 seconds after the video's done just to say one thing.
I'll give you 5 seconds.
Hello, my name is Michael Taylor. I am from Florida, and I visited Clearwater Beach. I ran across multiple issues. I met a lieutenant, 2 detectives, and 4 other officers that did not know the law, and they could not figure it out. This is an issue. This is going to get somebody hurt or put in jail. I hope this video helps educate not only the public, but law enforcement as well. Thank you.
Chief of police right there.
Whoa. Hey, why you got your hands on me? I know. This is proven.
Okay, Mike, you get the picture. You're over your 3 minutes.
Well, my video was 3 minutes long. My 5 seconds would be.
You could get to the mic.
I'm sorry. Like I said, this video is 3 minutes long. Every person on this panel has sworn an oath to the Constitution to defend my right. If they can't defend my right, who's going to defend my right?
Man, your time is up.
Don't be a bootlicker. Why? You can go ahead and suck their boot all you want, bud. I don't care. Every one of these people up here swore an oath to defend my right. You swore an oath to defend my right. He's the chief of police.
Go ahead and turn the mics off.
You can turn my mic off, dude. I'm walking out. All I could tell you is that you're a tyrant, you're a tyrant, you're a tyrant, you're a tyrant, you're a tyrant.
You're welcome to be
I know.
be quiet, but your time's up.
I'm leaving, dude.
You
Dude,
said that your
shut
5
up,
seconds
dude.
was all you wanted was 5
Why you?
seconds.
Let's go.
Hey, you're putting your hands on me,
It's time
sir.
to go.
I'm leaving.
They've asked you to
You
go.
don't have to push me, dude. You did the same thing your other officers did.
Time to go.
You put your hands on me once again.
It's time to go.
Set up your
You're
5
the chief
seconds,
of
you were
chief
done.
of police, and you're officer. What's your name and badge number?
It's Deputy Chief Eric Gandy of the Clearwater Police.
Yeah, I'm walking backwards. I'm not.
It's time to leave.
I'm leaving.
You've made
But you're a
your point.
tyrant. You're a tyrant. You're a tyrant. You, and you. You're all a bunch of pieces of shit. We went through this the last time, and now we're going through it again. All because you didn't like what I had to say. All because you didn't like what I had to say. I'm backing up. So you can't even say nothing. Shut the fuck up, Mr. Chief of Police. You're a piece of fucking shit. What was your name and badge number again? Chief, what's your name? Chief, what is your name? Chief, what is your name? Chief of Police of Clearwater, what is your name? Chief of Clearwater Beach, what is your name? I'm leaving. I am not. What was your name for putting your hands on me?
Eric Gandy.
Yeah,
Deputy Chief of Police 2475.
And then
my
what is
badge
your
number.
police chief's name? See, now at this point, I can stay right here. What is your name, sir? I don't know your name.
Mike, you know
I don't know your name.
You called me out on more than enough.
What is your name?
Let's go ahead.
D. Slaughter?
Yes.
What's your badge number?
1.
1? Yeah, you piece of shit.
As you can see, we remember the incident and that happened in Clearwater. I ended up going to Clearwater to their council meeting, and I was talking about it. They allowed me to play a 3-minute video. I will include all the links to the videos that are in this down below, and I will leave the news article that we're about to talk about. So, from what I do understand, D. Slaughter, the chief of police that was there during the incident, he is now retiring, and he's moving into more of a city role position where he's, I think, the assistant city manager. He didn't have to fill out an application. He didn't have to do it. He didn't have to fight for this job. He was given this job, which I find to be a bunch of crap. But anyway, so they put in their Eric Gandy. He retired and became an aviation and something else. He kind of retired from the city and moved on to doing something else, and then he got rehired because their person that, like, there's a whole bunch of stuff. People quit. Their chief that was the chief when the chief was retiring became the chief for an interim part of time, and then they came back to Eric Gandy and gave him his job back. But with him getting his job back, the city council decided to remove an ordinance that would allow this guy to basically, because he's becoming the chief of police, he gets his retirement, and he gets his pension and all this stuff. This city is bending over backwards for this guy, Eric Gandy. And as you can see, he likes to put his hands on people that do not agree with him.
What was your name for putting your hands on me?
Eric Gandy.
Yeah,
Deputy Chief of Police 2475.
And then what?
He didn't like what I had to say. I was leaving, and he wants to put his hands on me just like his other officers put their hands on me. And I'm going to say this very, very clear. I would tell anybody that does not agree with what they are doing in Clearwater to redress them. It is your First Amendment right to redress your government. I will have links all in the description below. And I want you to leave a comment in the description or in the comment section below. If you think this is a bunch of, if you don't think the government is only looking out for the government, and that, like, this is where our world is going right now. The government is just, they do what they want and how they want to do it, and I don't agree with it. But, and there's another thing we're going to talk about real quick. On July 31st, the end of the month, Eric Gandy is going to be sworn in. I will leave a link to the day. It's on July 31st. I believe it's at 1:30 p.m. and it's at the library in Clearwater. I will have all that in the description below. And if you would like to go to this city council meeting, it is a public meeting. I will be there, and I will be protesting. I will be protesting before it, and I will be protesting during it, and I will be protesting after it. And I will make this day very, 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 very memorable for Eric Gandy. Because you know something, man? If I was to put my hands on you, it would have been a whole different story. But because what? You got a badge and a gun, you get to put your hands on me? Well, this is my way of getting back at you. Is saying, hey, I'm going to redress you because I don't agree with what you did, and I don't agree with what those officers did. And yeah, we're going to make this day very, 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 very memorable just for you. So you're welcome, Eric Gandy. D. Slaughter, you're lucky you're not the police chief anymore. You're not out of the woods yet, buddy. Trust me, your day's coming too. Along with all those other officers. Their day is coming too. Trust me. But you know the deal, everybody. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. All the links will be down below. And if you're going to redress your government, try to redress them as politely as you can. But you can redress however you feel that you need to redress your government. I can only ask that you do it politely, but that's up to you. I can't make you do anything other than if you want to redress. So I'm going to get out of here. Solo Yacker, deuces.